Yes, dear farmers, good evening, good morning, good afternoon from wherever you are in the different parts of the world. This day, 9th October, in Uganda, we usually celebrate Independence Day. So I took off time to celebrate my independence in my super Napier garden. I decided to go and do some bit of weeding. It has not been raining since, I think, since around April this year. So we are experiencing a very serious drought. I think it rained once, yeah, it rained once. But now, uh, here, if really you did not stock enough hay, enough silage, then, and you are a zero grazer, you have animals on zero grazing, then you are in great trouble. I had stocked some good bales of hay of Chloris Guyana, and I had enough reserves of silage. But as I talk now, I'm about to start crying because the drought is still going on. I understand the other parts around the Isinjiro, like Mbarara, Bushenyi, and Kavale, there is some rain, there is some good amount of rain. But here in Isinjiro, it rained once and stopped. So this is what I've been doing today, trying to weed around. You can see I've been trying to weed around, but in the ground, on the ground, the whole ground is cracked. It's cracked, meaning that there is shortage of water. Where I have my water well, it's almost drying. So, well, I have to think twice and start digging some good borehole, a very good one. Otherwise, this is what is happening here. This is my super Napier garden. A little bit surviving because it's in a low-lying area, but up there you can see there is like a small banana plantation up there where the cattle shed is, and a part of it is the piggery unit. But this is what is going on, and this is a challenge we are having. Otherwise, we pray that very soon we get some rains. Otherwise, it's not getting easy at all. So I advise my fellow farmers that once we happen to get rains and we have enough forage, then we should be able to cut those grasses, either store as hay or we make silage, enough silage, at least to take us throughout the year. Those are some of the mistakes we make, thinking we can reserve feeds for like 6 months. But now, my bunkers are drying out. And I'm thinking of running around to try to source some hay. Hopefully I will get, but it's a lesson, a big lesson. So thank you very much, viewers and fellow farmers, for always sharing some tips, farming tips that help us and also help others. I wish you a good evening, good afternoon, and a good morning. Thank you.